Okay, your next step is we're going to have to get our cutoff length for our hose assembly. All right, now we have our two rebrazed fittings. Now, we're going to measure the old damaged hose to get our appropriate cutoff length. The easiest way we've found is to actually take one end of the completed fitting and we're going to insert a new piece of hose in there. Just firmly push it in until it seats. Now, you'll want to determine your cutoff length. You can see by the old hose where we actually cut the tube off. And this is where we have brazed into the new fitting. So if you'll just want to kind of line that up to get a good reference point to where you cut it off. Typically on air conditioning hose, when you crimp them, you need to allow about 1/4 of an inch growth on each end. Now that varies from crimper to crimper, but on the crimper that we use, it's usually spot on to say you've got 1/4 inch of growth. So, being the case, we're going to allow for that by going a little longer on the hose. Basically hold one end down, and you'll bring your new end over here and do the same. You can see right there where we cut it off. And add, or subtract, I should say, 1/4 inch. Now at that point, you'll take a marker. In this case, we'll use a grease pencil. And mark where your hose is going to stop on your new repair. The mark is where we're going to cut. Insert fitting into hose. Now this part is critical. We started off the old hose by getting our orientation marks. Well, we've got them here again too. As you can see, one dot lined up with the other dot. Now we're ready to crimp.